Here's a recipe for cheesy chicken red sauce pasta that you can try making at home. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken breast, sliced into thin strips. 1 pound pasta of your choice. 1 jar, 24 ounces, of your favorite tomato-based pasta sauce. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh basil leaves, chopped, optional. Instructions: cook the pasta according to package directions in a large pot of salted boiling water. Drain and set aside. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken strips and season with salt and pepper. Cook until browned on both sides and cooked through about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Add the pasta sauce to the same skillet and bring to a simmer. Stir in the heavy cream and let simmer for 5 minutes. Add the cooked chicken strips and pasta to the skillet with the sauce. Stir to combine everything together. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese and grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the pasta. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the cheese melt, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly, remove it from heat and serve hot. Garnish with freshly chopped basil leaves, if desired. Enjoy your homemade cheesy chicken red sauce pasta.